Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a Radio Shack trim line telephone. This is Vonda's equipment from California. And there is a note with this telephone. She's having a lot of static, and we want to troubleshoot this telephone. This is the initial checkout, so we'll go ahead and show you the cover. We have that taken away from the telephone itself because we want to show you the inside of this unit. If you've never seen a Radio Shack trim line apart before, that gives you a look at the circuit board. We want to go through this main PC board, and we want to check all of our connections, our solder points, and we want to make sure that they are soldered. And if we find any bad solder, we'll resolder those points. And we also want to check our connections for our handset cord and our modular port. We also want to check at the base, make sure that all of our connections are proper at the base and our line cord and that modular port. So we're going to go ahead and get a start on this unit. We'll finish that work up and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this Radio Shack trim line telephone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're in the middle of the process of repairing this Radio Shack trim line telephone, and we want to show a little bit about what's going on. Now, what we've done here is removed our main PC board, and we've resoldered all of the bad connections that we found. And you usually find solder points that weren't soldered properly, and we want to make sure for preventive maintenance and also to check for any kind of situation where it's causing static or you're losing connection. And so all those points have been resoldered now on the main PC board. And we also went ahead and re-crimped our connections and checked them for our modular plugs and our ports. So we're going to go ahead and finish this work up. We'll put everything back together again and we'll start our final checkout. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. So now we can go ahead and start our final checkout. Now I'm going to use the analyzer and send a ring cycle, so we'll start that. I'm going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, it's dialing out, we have transmit and receive, we can push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone, and we'll make that call.
Good evening. Today is Thursday, October 20th. The time is 11:31. Current temperature at 53 degrees.
Mostly cloudy today, then becoming partly sunny. Showers likely, highs in the lower 60s. Colder tonight, partly cloudy, then becoming clear. Lows around 40. Sunny on Friday, highs around 60.
We can go ahead and hang up. We'll make one other call. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. We'll make that call. Hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Radio Shack trimline telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Vonda and they can enjoy this telephone once again. It's a cool color and I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. And you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.